by January 27th. January 27th is my birthday, so I want for my birthday present to have over 1,000 subscribers. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a weekend in the life of a foreigner here in Japan, but it's actually a public holiday. It's Monday, public holiday. I think it's Thanksgiving, I'm not sure, I have to double check. But yeah, I work on weekends, so I can't do like a weekend in the life, but I can do like a holiday in the life, you get what I'm saying. Anyway, so I'm gonna be recording the things that people would typically do on their day off here in Japan. Oh my god, the hair, I hate this hair, guys. I hate it. I have to wet it for it to look good. Anyways, I decided to get up early, which most people don't really get up early on their day off like Saturday, Sunday. No, I wanted to start my day early because I made a list of stuff that I wanted to do today, since today is like the first day off I've gotten for the entire month of November. I'm gonna be uploading this video on December 1st, but I'm just saying, yeah, this is my first day off for the entire month. Girl, been busy working. But anyways, I got up early and I did my makeup because I wanted to look extra cute for you guys. Extra cute. Yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna make my breakfast. It's about almost 11 o'clock now because I've been up like from 8. I got a shower, I did my makeup, I spoke to my sister, I cleared my messages, and now I'm gonna make my breakfast. So let's go. I was here busy making my breakfast and I heard the doorbell. I wasn't gonna open it because I wasn't expecting anyone. When I looked through the little peeping hole, I didn't see anybody, and then I heard the doorbell again. I decided to open this little area and I saw a box. I'm like, box? Maybe someone is surprising me with some, like with a care package or something. But actually I ordered some stuff from Shein. I wasn't expecting it to be delivered so soon because it's like maybe 4 days ago that I ordered them. So this is really fast. But anyways, guys, also I ordered, my friend who lives in Canada, he sent me some stuff. I used his address and he shipped the stuff to me. I'm gonna show you guys those stuff later on. But this is the box that I got. So my stuff is here. Guys, don't mind how messy my apartment is. Cleaning is on my to-do list. Yeah, guys, so later I'm gonna also open the box and let you guys see what's in it. But I'm gonna be doing like a try-on haul on my second channel so that you guys can see how the things fit. And I ordered this stuff because I'm going on vacation in December, so I'm excited. But anyways, back to cooking my breakfast. It's super difficult to record and cook at the same time, but I'm gonna try my best. I usually use like one of these to just mix the egg yolk with the egg white. Black pepper. This is black pepper mixed with salt. And I'm gonna add some this pepper. Okay, there you go. So while the egg is frying, I'm gonna just put away these dishes that I washed yesterday. All week I have been eating salad because I realized that when I cut meat out of my diet and it's my time of the month, I feel less pain. And it actually worked, so I wasn't in a lot of pain this month because it came yesterday, if you guys know what I'm talking about. Excuse my jacket in the background, guys. Yeah, this is the real me, no filter, no anything like that. But yeah, so I have a lot of dishes because to make the salad I had to put each ingredient in a separate container because I didn't want like the lettuce to be too saggy, and I had to carry the sauce, the Caesar sauce, in one of these. Yeah, these are disposable ones, but I recycle them because I'm all about saving money. So next, you take out this plate. I'm gonna warm up My bread. I'm gonna be eating 2 slices of bread. I'm gonna microwave these. My laundry in the background. Oh boy. Alright guys, I have my avocado, egg and mayonnaise sandwich, and you can see the steam. I have my ginger tea here. I'm gonna just quickly check my to-do list for today to ensure that I'm on track. So yeah, I showered, which I shower every day, but yeah, I just put it on the list. Makeup, shower, breakfast. I'm eating breakfast right now. After, I have to clean my bathroom, my room, my kitchen. Need to take down my winter stuff. So many stuff to do. Anyways, let me eat my breakfast and then I'll come back on camera. Okay. Hey y'all, let me draw this up. I have on tights, by the way, guys. I'm gonna just wash up the dishes first. I finished eating my breakfast. My sandwich was very good. To do laundry, so I'm gonna put one of these in it. I'm gonna pour this in it. I'm gonna let it spin for about 1 minute, and then I'm gonna turn it off and let it stay for about 1 hour, and then I'm gonna turn it back on and wash the clothes. So I don't even want to show you guys how dirty my bathroom is because it's dirty. I feel like I have to clean my bathroom like every other day for it to look okay. It gets messy pretty easily. But anyway, so I'm gonna start cleaning and then I'm gonna let you guys see how it looks when I'm finished. Okay, okay. Drop one of these in the toilet tank. Hey guys, so this watermark here. Alright, so I think I'm finished. Yeah, my bathroom is finished. I told you guys earlier that I got a package today. I'm gonna show you guys that package very soon, but first I'm gonna show you guys some stuff that I ordered and I sent it to my friend in Canada. He was kind enough to allow me to use his address. Well, he bought some stuff in Canada, so like this Cool Runnings curry, he bought it in Canada for me because the curry here is a little bit different. So I'm gonna show you guys things that are difficult to get in Japan. You can get it, but it's not very easily accessible. So you can't go to a Japanese supermarket and buy Jamaican style curry. No, you can't, unless it's like an international supermarket, and you don't find those everywhere. So anyway, so I got curry, jerk seasoning. As it relates to jerk cheese seasoning, I asked him to buy some jerk cheese seasoning for me. He bought the sauce and the sauce actually broke in the box and it messed up the entire thing. So I have to call FedEx to get some type of compensation for the fact that they broke my freaking seasoning. So it's a lucky thing that I told him to buy both the jerk sauce and the jerk seasoning powder. I've never cooked jerk chicken before, but I'm gonna attempt to cook it in my tiny little oven, and I'm gonna cook jerk chicken today. If I get the chance to go to the grocery store, I'm definitely gonna cook jerk chicken today because it's not that hard. I'm just gonna use this. Yeah, so I'm gonna let me show you guys the box. This is how the box was that these items came in, and they had to change the box, and I think they wiped off some of the stuff. They didn't completely remove the jerk sauce from them, so I had to wash these when the box came. But like, I'm so upset. Anyways, he sent some cock soup. I didn't ask for cock soup because I'm not really like a soup type of person, but I am grateful for them. He surprised me with this, and this, I guess for my early Christmas present or something. So I'm grateful for those. I bought this. This is the Aztec healing clay that you can use on your face and on your hair. So I'm really excited. I've been wanting to get this thing for a very long time. iHerb is a site that you can use here in Japan to get stuff on, but iHerb, every time I try to buy this on iHerb, it's sold out because it's just how good this thing is. So it's hard to get it here in Japan. So I got it from Amazon. So most of these stuff I got from Amazon, or my friend bought them at a supermarket in Canada. I bought some nail glue because I need to look like somebody pitney. So I plan on doing my nails. Hopefully I get to go on my trip, because I was just told that because of the cases of the coronavirus has been increasing, maybe by December I won't be able to travel to wherever I want to go, which is so freaking sad because I want to go somewhere. Of course, I'm going to take the necessary precautions. I'm an adult. I am going to be careful. Ah, boy. But anyway, so the irony also is that this nail glue was actually, which one of them? One of them was made in Japan. And I'm like, what the hell? Yes, this one was made in Japan. So can you imagine? He bought this in Canada because I don't know where to get these stuff here in Japan, and just to see that it's coming from Japan, ridiculous. Anyways, he got me some Maggi seasoning. This is all purpose. Yeah, and of course toothpaste on Amazon Japan. These, like one of these, you can get it for 1,000 yen. There's no way in hell I'm buying, well, Colgate, there's no way in hell I'm gonna buy a Colgate toothpaste for 1,000 yen, one single one. Hell no. It's so expensive on Amazon Japan, and you can't get these in a regular Japanese supermarket. There are Japanese toothpaste, but they don't have any fluoride in it, so I've never actually used a Japanese toothpaste before. I'd rather use baking soda and a mouthwash than try a Japanese toothpaste. Yeah, and the final set of stuff that I got, I've been wanting to try this brand for a very long time, so I bought this and this one from them. I've already started using the facial cleanser. I haven't tried this one just yet, but I'm going to very soon. This is a facial moisturizing lotion, so both of them for your face. I'm trying to change my skincare routine. And finally, I got this Dr. Bonner's liquid soap, and I got the peppermint flavor one. I'm not gonna use this until summer because of what I've been reading, what it caught, because of how peppermint is. If I use this in the winter right now, I'm gonna freeze to death, so I'm gonna just hold off on that. So these are all the stuff that I got like a couple weeks ago. So I just want you guys to see that these things aren't easily accessible in Japan, but one way or the other you probably can get it. Like if you go on base, definitely on the US base I can get toothpaste. I probably can get jerk seasoning and curry powder, but I'm not sure. But I don't think this is on base, like the Aztec clay mask. I'm not sure about these. Maybe this, because this seemed like a popular brand. Yeah, yep, yeah. So that's that. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in the Shein box. I'm not gonna take out anything out of the package because I'm gonna be doing a video dedicated to that. You guys just have to subscribe to my other channel to see how and what I bought. Alright, so I bought a sheet set because this looks really nice. This is a, I think, a skirt set. I don't remember what this is. This is a skirt, bikini. What is this? I don't know. I don't remember. Very cool. This is cute. I hope this can fit me. Bikini. Another shoe. I bought some jewelry. Because I don't know, but it's like I'm always out of earrings. This is a nice little bag. Another bikini. Wait, oh shoot, I accidentally ordered 2 of these. Can you imagine? Freaking trouble. So I have to try and sell this one. If there's anyone in Japan that would like these shoes, I think it's size 7. Hit me up. Jewelry. More jewelry. This is a pants, a white pants. And I got some shoes. Let's see. This brown shoe. You can tell based on what I bought that where I'm going, or where I hope I'm going, it's gonna be a tropical island. Oh, it's called Shein. So it was Shein. Okay. This cute little thing right here. This I like. Definitely. I need to take down my winter clothes because I have been delaying this for so long. So I'm gonna take down my winter clothes today, right now. Have to climb up in this thing. Ugh. My winter jacket. Winter jacket. What is this? This is a scarf. Ooh. Alright, I'm done. This is crushed, man. So crushed. I don't have a closet where I can hang up these jackets, so that is why I had to put them up top. They smell so nice. I love this coat because it's very warm, but you can see that I've worn it so many times, so it's old, but I'm still gonna wear it because I prefer to wear something that will keep me warm than, you know, something that's fashionable. So these are my old coats that I've been wearing for 2 years. 1 to 2 years now, and I bought some more because winter is coming. Winter is coming, guys. I'm going to go to the supermarket today, so I might wear this one. I don't know, I need to check the temperature to see if it's very cold. If not, then I'll just wear this. I have on an underblouse, so I think I should be fine. I'm not sure, but I might just wear it to be on the safe side. It's about 2:30 something, and that's lunchtime for me, so I'm eating this strawberry yogurt, and I also have some leftover food that was in my fridge. I've been eating like a vegetarian for a week, so I want to go to the supermarket and get some chicken, and I'll probably make jerk chicken for dinner. I'll see. I also have a slice of Christmas cake that I bought here in Japan. I bought it from a Jamaican girl. She's in Chiba. I'm gonna leave her Instagram business page in the description box. So the day is almost done. The sun is already setting and we still have a lot to do. I'm eating cabbage and baked beans. Now for my baby. I love a Christmas cake, and this is very, very good. I actually bought 3 cakes from her, and I gave away 1 to my school, my teachers at my school, and I ate 1 already, and this is my second cake. Okay, Sarine. Very good. Showing my elbows in love. I'm not good at taking care of plants. I have hanged out my second set of clothes, as you can see. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head out on the road. I am going to the supermarket. We are going to the supermarket because I'm gonna be recording, but I'm not gonna get a lot of stuff, just some essential stuff like chicken that I told you guys about, and a few other stuff. Of course, I have to mask up. Yep, I'm gonna put on my pants and I'm gonna put on my jacket because I feel like outside is cold, so I'm gonna put on my jacket. Drink some more water. So let's go. Walking on the road. I feel like I am always buying socks and stockings. People in Japan, let me put you on. You see, if you love this brand, I'm gonna show you guys a substitute that tastes almost the same. It's like you're eating the same thing. This one tastes really nice. Thank me later. And there's also the vanilla and the green tea flavor, matcha flavor as well. But I like this one because it tastes just like the chocolate one, and I also like the vanilla one. Point card, hi. Ni bukuro onegaishimasu. Bukuro, hi. 2. Ni. Hi, here. Point card, okay. I'm home, guys. I'm home. I'm gonna head back on the road right now because I need to pay my bills. I don't want to show you guys my address, but I have officially started paying pension. Japan is out to broke people, right? Because I ain't retiring in this country, and I'm not even gonna be in this country for much longer. Yes, still I gotta pay pension. But anyway, so I got exemption. Like, I'm only paying 1/3 of the total amount, I believe, something like that, because I went down to the pension office because they were sending me notice like crazy. I didn't want it to escalate any further, so I went down there and then they gave me exemption, a portion of the exemption. Yeah, so I'm gonna pay all my bills right now. So I can't record in the convenience store because that's their policy. I don't want to be banned from the convenience store that's literally like 2 minutes away from my home. So I'm gonna obey the people them law. But yeah, we're gonna head out. I need to ensure that I have enough money because I don't know what bill this is. I'm not paying this. All right, so I have my health insurance, which is 18,500. I have my electric bill, which is 2,278. Lucky me, because I don't really use my heater that much. I have, what else? I have my my gas bill, which is 3,960 yen, and I have my I have my, so where is my water bill? No water bill this month, so I pay a water bill, the water bill every other month. I have my, what do you call it, I pay resident tax, so I have one more payment left, which is $6,000. I can decide to pay it. Based on the date on it, I can pay it. I have until next year January to pay it, or is it next year February? I'm not sure of the date, but yeah, but it's next year due. So I'm wondering, let me check and see how much money I have in my purse before I go embarrass myself. Worst like how I have to pay 4,140 for pension for one voucher, and 8,280 on another voucher. So see guys, Japan ain't cheap. That's why I got 3 jobs. All right, so I believe I have sufficient money, I'm hoping. Oh my god, I'm tired of paying bills, guys. I'm tired, man. So freaking tired of paying bills. 8 and 4, that's 12,000 plus 18, that's what, 12,000 plus 18, that's 30,000 there. 30,000. And this is 3. So it's like 40,000 here. Jeez, about 40,000 I have to pay right now. The struggles, the freaking struggles. $40,000 in bills, and this is just utility bill. This is not like, this doesn't include my internet bill. This doesn't include my what other bill, my phone bill. It doesn't include my rent. So guys, it's crazy out here. It's literally across the road from my apartment. There it is, waiting to cross the road. About 4 of these bottles. So every time I go to the convenience store, I usually buy water because I don't drink the piped water here. So about 4 drinking water bottles. I'm gonna wipe off the stuff that I bought at the supermarket. So these, I'm gonna just wash them. So wash these. I'm gonna use the knife and just stab the meat because I want the seasoning to penetrate into the meat. So I'm ready to season up the meat. The first thing that I'm gonna do is put some olive oil on the meat because I want it to be juicy. Add some black pepper. Some red pepper. Some more red pepper. I'm gonna add some garlic salt. And now for the main ingredients. I don't like what it smells. Is it supposed to smell like cinnamon? Because that's what I'm smelling right here. I'm not gonna put any salt in it because this has salt in it, the garlic salt, and the black pepper has salt in it. So I don't want it to be too salty, so I'm not gonna put any salt in it. I'm gonna put this in the fridge and leave it to marinate for 1 hour. I have makeup on my shirt, which is fine. Anyways guys, on a serious note, I have to tell you guys something because this needs to be said. So I have been on YouTube for 2 years. I started YouTube in December 2018, so this month it's gonna be 2 years since I started YouTube. I have over 130 videos on my channel right now, and I have only 483 subscribers, I believe. So what is going on, guys? Why aren't you subscribing to my channel? Like, I've been doing this for 2 years, and for persons who don't know, YouTube is a lot of work, literally a lot of work, because I have to come up with an idea, I have to edit, I have to do a thumbnail, I have to put in tags and title, description, all of those stuff, and it's time consuming, especially when I have 3 jobs. So I would like my channel to be at 1,000 subscribers by January 27th. January 27th is my birthday, so I want for my birthday present to have over 1,000 subscribers, and I know it's possible, and I'm gonna achieve this goal because I'm gonna put in the work. So a part of me putting in the work is to give you guys better quality videos, better content, and for the month of December I'm gonna be uploading videos every other day. So yes, every other day I'm gonna be uploading a video to my channel, so you guys can come back every other day, and even every day, because I have over 100 videos, so you guys can watch one video per day and you guys gonna always see me on your screen. Yeah, so that's the plan right now. And to help me to reach this goal, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, a cash giveaway, that is. So just look out for that video that I'm gonna be posting very soon. Look out for that video, and I want you guys to please literally just like my video, share my videos on your social media platform, so whether it be Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, wherever, and you can't talk, you guys can tag me when you post the video, and I repost you, okay? Because I appreciate you guys for supporting me, especially the day one supporters, the loyal supporters. I really appreciate you. I'm gonna have a cash giveaway so that you guys can enter as well, because I appreciate you always watching my channel, always supporting me, always commenting and stuff like that. I see you guys, and I respond to every single one of my comments, unless it's some like crazy type of thing, and I don't deal with negativity around here, so I delete those negative comments, and I don't get a lot of negative comments, thank you Jesus. But yeah, so that's that. I just wanted to share that with you guys, because I'm taken aback as the amount of subscribers that I have, 400, and I've been doing this for 2 years. But I'm not gonna stop, I'm gonna push on. But I just want a little motivation, guys, because I've been doing this for 2 years and it's a lot of work. Like literally editing alone takes a long time, and I am someone who I like to edit and then go over the video again and again and again, so this takes a lot of time. What time is it? I need to go to my friend's house. I'm going to Francine's house to pick up a candle because I'm out of candles. I need candles, air fresheners, and all of those lovely stuff, because when people come to my apartment, I want them to be able to smell, you know, just that nice scent, some inviting scent and stuff like that. So I want candles and stuff. I'm completely out. Yeah, that's that. Yeah, so I think in the next 2 hours or so I need to walk to her apartment. She lives about 7 minutes from me, and if you don't know who Francine is, I'm gonna insert a clip. I've done videos with her numerous times.
Actions. Action. Not a bag of mouth. Look to make the girl them broke out. Alright,
I'm gonna leave her channel in the description box below so that you guys can check out her channel if you're interested and stuff. But guys, remember to subscribe and like, share, comment, okay? Videos every other day, so the 1st, the 3rd, the 5th, the 7th, every other day on my channel there will be a video. Anyways, let's see what else is on my to-do list. I didn't clean my room today, and that's totally fine. I don't even want to, you guys, this is why I'm in this little corner, because I don't want you guys to see how behind the camera looks, right? I didn't clean my kitchen, but my kitchen is kind of okay. I went grocery shopping, so yes, I did that. I paid my bills, yes, I bought my water, I seasoned up my chicken. All I need to do right now, oh, and I've talked about the fact that I need my YouTube channel to take off. So guys, January 27th, mark that date. When you come back to my channel, are you supposed to be on my channel every day? I'm asking for too much, right? Okay, but January 27th, I'm speaking it into existence. On January 27th, I should have over 1,000 subscribers on my channel. I need to finish cook. I am only just gonna cook like sweet potatoes. I wanted to cook corn, but there wasn't any corn at the supermarket. I guess it's not corn season right now. I believe this is supposed to be sweet potato, but actually it's purple potato. I've never had purple potato before. I don't even know what to expect, but I took up the wrong potato. I'm so pissed right now. So this is what I'm having for dinner. Guys, pray for me. Have you ever tried this? This is the potato when I took it out of the water. Like, honestly, I don't know guys, but this is it. This is how it looks. first time for everything. This is the chicken bacon. Delicioso. Alright guys, I tasted the chicken already. This is oven jerked chicken, but yo, this ain't no freaking jerk chicken seasoning, because first of all, when I smelled it, it smelled like cinnamon, and the chicken don't have a jerk taste. Well, I don't know what this is. I don't know. But anyways, don't come for me for my salad. I didn't put any carrots in it because I wasn't planning on making any. But of course, it's gonna be delicious regardless. I literally have been recording all day. It's now 8 o'clock. You can hear my machine in the background. So I'm gonna give this a try. Let me just try it by itself. That's the sweet potato. It does taste like the regular sweet potato, but I don't like it. Maybe it's because, I don't know, maybe because I'm not used to this. That's why. And guys, I have the plate in my hand because the phone is recording on the table, and if I put it on the table, you won't be able to see me. Okay. I like it together. Let me try the meat again. It has a cinnamon taste to it, which I'm not digging, but it's okay. It's not that. It's freaking cold. Yes, it's about 14 degrees, and it's almost 10 o'clock in the night, and I'm going for a candle. How determined am I? But I had already planned to get the candle today, so I'm just gonna stick to my plan. Whew, I'm going up a hill. I'll show you guys up here. I made it to Francine's apartment and I got my candle. This is a vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. Okay, so if you guys are in Japan, support a black owned business. She makes them by herself and they're handmade stuff. Yeah.
You have Christmas, Julian?
Nope, I don't celebrate Christmas like that. I just enjoy the holiday, you know, not going to work and all of that, but I don't celebrate it like by trees and stuff like that. I'm back home and I'm gonna head in the shower, then I'm gonna eat some ice cream and head to bed. I want to thank you guys for watching the entire video because I think this is gonna be a very long video. So thank you guys for watching it until the end. Please subscribe, please share, like, comment, and thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Bye.